How to passcode lock FaceTime on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Press and hold the application you want to hide from here. For example, FaceTime. From the options, tap on Require Face ID. FaceTime will now require a Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. The app content will also not appear in notification previews or Spotlight. Now, go back and tap on the FaceTime app to open it. As you can see, you will require your Face ID or passcode to unlock FaceTime. Following these steps, you can easily passcode lock FaceTime on any iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.